Hello, my dear traders. Today I have got something really special for you. You often ask, is it possible to trade using a minimum set of indicators? And the answer is yes, it is. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use just the two indicators, zigzag and MAC, to find the best entry points. No complicated setups, just proven and effective methods. So stay until the end because I will share important insights. Let's go. Okay, we'll be working on the 1 minute time frame with 2 minute expiration trades. So let's add two indicators, zigzag and MAC. So we will keep the zigzag settings unchanged, but we need to tweak MAC. So set the fast period to 5 and the slow period to 15. Okay, and leave the signal period at 9. Okay, now I'm ready to open some trades. Okay, here is the first opportunity. The trade is open, but why a put trade? We see a resistance level that zigzag identified perfectly, confirmed by MAC. While the trade is running, let me explain. Zigzag helps us identify key highs and lows that indicate reversal points, while MAC confirms the trade or gives us an entry signal. Guys, we can now remove the rectangle. The trade closed with a confident profit. So now I'm looking for the next setup, and remember, zigzag works best on trading markets and it should be avoided in flat conditions. So look at the excellent setup for a call trade, opening for $500. Just notice how MAC shows a crossover with green candles above the zero line moving higher. And once again, zigzag highlights a level, but this time it's a support level. For 4 consecutive candles, zigzag hasn't extended the trade, which usually signals a price reversal. So that's our signal to open a call trade. Okay, now we wait for the trade to finish. See how beautifully the trade closed in profit, and this is the result of analyzing with just two indicators. Here is a situation I would skip. It might look like there is a support level, but without confirmation from MAC, I think I won't open the trade. So shall we open another put trade? Another $500 into the trade. And once again, we see resistance level as zigzag reversal point. I'm not initially picking these setups. It just does zigzag reversals often occur at K levels. Overall, the setup looks very similar to the first trade. And again, MAC and zigzag provided their signals, and now we just wait for the trade to close. And there is another confident win. Okay guys, as you can see, everything works perfectly when you use the tools correctly. So zigzag identified the K levels while MAC provides precious entry signals. So if you want to know more about strategies, subscribe to my Telegram channel. There you will find more tips, free signals, and of course trading secrets. So don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and leave a comment. So see you in the next time.